up, folks? This is Mish Mash of a tool review thing. What I have new in the garage? This is last week's video. I picked up a jug of this stuff. Fast Orange. What is it? Hand cleaner, because I like the smell. I don't know about you guys, but it smells better than that one. I don't need hand cleaner, but I was like, oh, it smells good. I don't know if you guys buy stuff because it smells like oranges. I want to like stick a straw in here and go, oh. It smells good. I like the citrusy smell. My wife buys lemon hand soap all the time, and man, if you get the right one, it smells good. So that's new in my shop. It's a little stand-up bucket. I have the upside down one over there, which I might just pour this in there and blend it all. I don't know if it's a good idea. I have the wall kind. You push the thing, and there's a plastic bottle in there. It looks like someone took a dump in it. And like, what's that for? I'm like, because when you leave it there and don't use it, it like dries up and has a little brown turd inside. I usually push it in there to get the first little turd out. Then you get clean hand cleaner. It reminds me in the late 70s, early 80s, my father's shop used to have a motorcycle shop. He fixed motorcycles and skidoos and whatever, I don't know. And there was a hand cleaner on the wall, and it was one of those push things. We put the container. I always remember the container always had the lid on it, and it was just sitting on there, and you pull the lid off and just scoop it out of your hand, and you'd have that gritty smell. And it, like, to this day, that I don't know who makes it or whatever, but how do you keep the same smell for like, what, 30, 40 years now? Like, it's literally 40 years later. Actually, it's fucking 42 years later, maybe. No, probably 50 years for all I know. It's just crazy. And anyway, what else I got? I'll do the what's in the bag. This is coming back from a thing I chopped up that was at my house. I don't know what I was doing it. I also, let's see, what's in the bag here? Bringing this back. Yeah, there's a video of me with these green gloves. My son was playing it. I blew it up, and I was trying to tie it into a balloon, and he was like, blow it up, and the thing ripped off, so I had to zip tie it on. I did a video of that stuff. Did I? Fluid film? I don't know if I did that. Picked that up. Vice grips. I was using that in my car. I was looking for this. I found it in the back of my car. Crescent wrench. I noticed with crescent wrenches, anybody notice if you want to buy a crescent wrench that opens more than an inch and a half? Like it seems like every crescent wrench on the shelf only opens one length. Then after that, you're like, I need one that has a bigger opening. You have to buy this 15-foot long crescent wrench. I don't know. I found the extremely rare right side of my. I have two of these. I've been trying to find another right side for the kickstand on the things, and apparently these are like $200 to $300 a piece. Why? Because I guess everybody took them off and lost them. Because that's where the kickstand is. Let's see. This stuff is for another video. There it is. I think that's it for my house. And I already did a video on this. I put some new handles on the bike. The one I have in storage, I have instead of, where is it? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Holy crack-a-tomb. Where is it? I left it in the car. Damn it. I have a new set of handlebars for it. Or is it this one or that one? And I got a new set of handlebars. And somebody told me I should buy the Foreman 450 handlebars, because they're like, instead of this high, they're like higher. Got a nice thing. So I might put Foreman, I put regular handlebars on the 86, and on the 85 I'll put the Foreman handlebars, if I get them running. With that said, this is for another video. And yeah, so I picked up, I did these things. It comes with the grips, the caps, the screw, and the little spacer and whatever. And if you want new, if anybody's out there wants new grips for a Honda, oh yeah, feels like a brand new bike. The rest of the piece of crap, but the whole bike feels new. So with that said, that's my little daily whatever. I got a few more videos. If you're still watching, I have videos every Tuesday and Monday. That's Monday's my Monday what's new, which is me babbling away. Tuesday is me. Tuesday's a tool video. It's Tool Tuesday, and there's a tool one on there. So I have almost like 10 weeks worth of videos right now for Tool Tuesday. I'm good for almost the whole summer. So yeah, And then what I'm going to be doing is a giant vice grip review. Whoa, because I know you like watching vice grips. Become the king of vice grips. Yeah, right. If I win the lottery, I'll buy that $900 prototype thing and show you. Then I'll clamp it on my ear and wear it as an earring. Okay? Yeah. That's only if I win the lottery, and it doesn't mean I'll buy it if I win $10. I have to win enough to buy it. With that said, I hope you like my channel. Thanks for watching, and I have no gum today. No. In the videos. Thanks for watching. Click some buttons. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click whatever, and thanks for watching. Oh, and I lost all my hair. Yeah. Toodles.